Students, what we have is carbylamine reaction. Now this has been already been covered in trihalogen derivatives. Carbylamine reaction, also called as isocyanide test. Isocyanide test. Now this test is given by both aliphatic as well as aromatic amines. So when a primary amine, whether it is aliphatic or aromatic, is treated with chloroform, in the presence of alcoholic KOH, it produces RNC. So there is a coordinate bond from nitrogen towards that methyl group, or in general what we can write it as RNC directly, RNC isocyanide with an unpleasant odor along with KCl and H2O. So when you balance it, it will be 3 moles of KOH, resulting in the formation of 3 moles of KCl along with 3 moles of H2O. But students' shortcut is NH2 will become NC. What do you call it as? Isocyanide or isonitrile, or what you call it as carbylamine. Suppose you take an example, C2H5NH2. C2H5NH2 is what you call it as ethanamine. So ethanamine on treatment with chloroform or even iodoform plus alcoholic KOH, it results in the formation of R. You took it as C2H5, will give you C2H5NC. C2H5NC is nothing but ethyl isocyanide with an unpleasant odor, foul smell, indicating the presence of primary amine. So this is basically the test for primary amines. So when a primary amine treated with chloroform or iodoform in the presence of alcoholic KOH, it results in the formation of ethyl isocyanide or carbylamine plus the byproducts. In this case would be 3 moles of KCl plus 3 moles of H2O. So this should be 3 moles and here this should be 3 moles. Suppose you take a second example, let it be an aromatic amine. We have benzene with NH2. What do you call it as? Aniline. When aniline is treated with 3 moles of CHI3 along with KOH, and this is not 3 moles, it should be 3 moles of KOH. When it is heated, this will give you, now this is iodoform. So again an aromatic primary amine is treated with iodoform in the presence of alcoholic KOH. We get the product as, this would be benzene ring followed by NC plus the product would be 3 moles of KCl plus 3 moles of H2. Now since it is iodoform, instead of KCl it should be iodide, so 3 moles of Ki. Okay, now alcoholic KOH, it results in the formation of C6H5NC. C6H5, what you call it as? Phenyl. So it should be called as phenyl isocyanide with an unpleasant odor, foul smell, indicating the presence of primary amines. So students, this is basically the test for primary amines. Aniline can also be written as benzene amine. Sometimes they might ask you molecular formula also, C6H5NH2. Finally will give you C6H5NC, phenyl isocyanide. So this test is generally given by, the test is generally given by primary amine. It can be either aliphatic or aromatic, but it should be primary, as well as aromatic, as well as trihalogen derivative of methane. So what you called as in general called as haloform. Haloform. So haloform is nothing but CHX3. So the test given by primary amine aliphatic or aromatic as well as haloform reaction. The test is not shown by secondary and tertiary. So thus this test can be used to distinguish between primary amines from secondary and tertiary amines.